Getting my brows waxed. Kelly. This is Kelly. She does my eyebrows. She's really good.
Oh, thank you.
Alright. These are my brows. It's actually a bit thicker than I expected, but it's cool. It's my natural brows anyway, so I just needed it to be shaped and done well. Ooh, fresh mustache. Don't have to worry about it when I do my makeup. Oh, I'm hungry. I need to get something to eat. I have not eaten today, so now I'll try to find a Starbucks close and get something. I could go get my Starbucks and then go to Sephora. I can go to Starbucks, then go to Sephora. I don't need anything, but I'm still gonna go.
Headed
to the airport.
What for?
To pick up the first lady herself. Mrs. Mary Aaron is in America for the first time, and I am so excited that she's actually coming. You know, she's in Phoenix because the weather is beautiful here. So yeah, I know. How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, cool.
We'll see how it goes.
You sound really quiet. I know, we'll see. It's good. She's here for a minute, so we don't have a choice. Alright, you gotta put the... We made it to the airport. Woo! Level 6. We're close to ground time. We'll end up having to go to floor 6. Are you filming?
Of course, I'm always filming.
Oh, that's... So I'm gonna pause it on her. I didn't even ask her which side.
Hey, oh, come on.
Kinche. Kinche me. You look nice.
Hi, boy. How are you? I was busy waiting outside.
She was outside.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much of the money for the ticket. that I celebrated.
They had. Oh, here.
Okay, let me open it.
Ah, mas então chiade. Ora. Wow, this is nice. Oh, so I didn't get no one. Yeah, no, okay. Oh, see how brand that is. Oh yes. Oh, these are the other steps. See, I didn't like it. Finish it. This is nice.
You two were almost here at the same time.
I wish we would have come the same time, you know. No, no problem. I think we'll find time to come. We'll find time to come. Yeah, no problem. Well,
Try it.
I will.
You're wasting my footage.
No, I'm gonna try it.
Cream corn. It's an appetizer.
Mm. It's pretty good.
it's an appetizer.
Okay. Yeah. It's pretty good.
The next day,
So, we're going hiking. My mommy and Matthew. We haven't even started. So dramatic. Hi. My mom left. She said, I know, do it again.
the next day,
What? Yes. Say it.
No. Go ahead, Olivia. I can't hear. Do you want the phone?
Oh. We came to see my university.
Yeah.
We came all the way from Phoenix to Iowa.
Yeah.
Came to the University of Northern Iowa.
Yeah.
All right, let me take a picture for you.
Eventually.
Yo. How was your trip?
Yeah, it was nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Till
I love it.
till we see you soon.
Yeah, thank you.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, jingle,